everybody, Simon here with Backline Expedition Gear. This short video is to show you how to install our aux series low roof adapter kit. We're going to do that together today, and then you'll be able to install an aux carrier on the low roof fan. On my right hand here we have a high roof bracket, and this is the low roof bracket. The difference is that if you put them side by side, you will see that the low roof here got a bit more of a sharp angle than the high roof. So this one will fit the top of your door better. That's why we have two different kinds. For this video, we're not going to install the entire carrier on the back doors. What we're going to do is only talk about the top bracket. So if you need instruction on how to install the entire carrier, please refer on YouTube to the aux carrier installation video. Using a T30 bit here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this latch. Pull it out and just leave it hanging. Now you can see the hole that you have drilled from the outside of the door, and this is where we're going to put our bolt in. And now from the aux carrier kit, you can use this gasket and the bolt and the stainless steel washer that comes with it, and that's going to be how you insert that on the outside of the door. And the part that we're going to be fitting inside here is this thing, and I'm going to show you how it's used. All right, so the bracket now has got this little notch that's cut into it. What we're gonna do is bend it by hand. There we go. At a little bit more than 45 degrees, and that's gonna be the way to hold it in the back door. And I'll be using the same spray that you've probably seen in other videos that I've made, just because I don't like corrosion. So I'm gonna spray that on the inside, make sure we don't have to deal with rust inside the door. I'm using a pair of pliers just to get the bracket in. Could do it with my hand, but it feels easier. And from the other side, I'm trying to find the hole in the bracket. At this point, I have the bracket tight on the other side. This interior bracket is also tight here, so everything lines up perfectly. Now, with this bent at 45 degrees or a bit over 45, I don't have space to put that latch back in place. So what we're trying to do, I'm gonna get just my pliers here and bend that inwards, just so that I have enough space to put the latch back in place. That. There we go. And now I can tighten these 3 bolts. Now onto the driver's side of the door. This one is a little bit more complicated, as you will see, but still doable. This is our bracket. It is similar as the passenger side, but it is a little bit longer of a bolt. We're using an M10 by 80 bolt. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver to help center the bracket with the inside part of the door. You're gonna need a magnet if you drop the bracket inside the door. This is the only way you'll be able to pull it out of the hole. And also, you already have drilled this hole probably if you follow the instruction from the aux carrier installation video. But this door on this side has 2 layers of steel that you're going to have to drill through. So the first one, and then you feel the second one, you drill right through, and not through the door on the 3rd layer, just the 2 first layers, and you'll be able to insert the bracket on the inside. Now with the same T30 bit, I'm going to be removing this top section of the latch. Now with my Phillips screwdriver, I'm gonna insert that in there and pull the white plastic flange around the wire, just like that, and now my latch can just be hanging. Now we have the driver's side bracket on this side here that we have bent just a little bit by hand. Actually, no, this one I've used a vise because it's shorter, so it's a little bit harder. We're gonna go ahead and insert that inside the door here. And this is where I'm gonna use my Phillips screwdriver to try to feel where the hole is. Now from inside the door, I can see here the hole that I have drilled. And then if I move over a little bit, we could see a little bit the second hole. I don't know if you can see that. This is where we're gonna try to get our Phillips screwdriver through and feel the nut that's on the bracket. Now that I have located the hole with the screwdriver and a little bit of patience, I know exactly where it fits, so I will be grabbing my bracket here, feeding it through in the same place, and I'm going to try to feel the threads and start turning the bracket. Now we'll line up the rubber gasket with the bracket and in line with the top of the glass. So now I'm pressing that white plastic collar back into the latch. Just go back in place, and I can go ahead and put these screws back in place. And there you go, you have your two brackets, and now you're ready to go install your aux carriers. I hope you like this video.